of this program, there are 1,000. You made the right decision to join this Tujiajiri program. We have given you an opportunity. The county leadership has given you an opportunity. And this is not something that is available to everyone. I know it was a competitive process. You applied online, we vetted, and you qualified to join this program. This program, Tujiajiri program, for sure, its aim is to empower young people to be able to lead, create, and inspire others. Through this program, you will be able to get necessary technical skills. I know we have joined various VTCs across this county. Some of you are doing automotive engineering, plumbing, construction. I want to attest here that we have very good cases where we have students who have gone through our Tujiajiri program and now are making 1,000 shillings per day. Nyinyi mujihisi kwamba nyinyi ni mafundi from today. I can tell you for sure that ukiwa kijana wa mkono, kwa wale wamefanya mjengo kidogo, ukiwa kijana wa mkono unapewa 300 na unafinyiwa, si ndio? 300, 400. I'm telling you now that you will be certified. Wewe ni fundi kutoka hapa. Ukiwa fundi hapa unachezea 1,000 to 1,500 per day. Sizo ni kazi. So feel empowered that through this program you are already in the journey of your economic prosperity. Your Excellency. Through this partnership, I want to really congratulate your leadership and also the collaboration that you have had with your county assembly members. That you are able to allocate 25 million Kenyan shillings. And we as KCB Foundation, we matched a similar amount, topping that amount to 50 million Kenyan shillings. Makofi kwa county leadership. Your Excellency, I just want to also indicate here that KCB Foundation and KCB Bank, we have been working in this county for the last 4 or 5 years through other initiatives for Tujiajiri and also through our high school scholarship program. I know and I really appreciate your efforts around Elimu na Simba. We also support over 100 students in terms of full scholarships for high school in this county. Your Excellency, last year, through this journey, we also supported various primary schools and various secondary schools with various infrastructure aspects or facilities. We have distributed over 40 tanks to support our young people to be able to access clean water while they are in school. You are excellent. This partnership, I know, is bigger. And I want to mention here that the partnership that we are having with Kisii County is not only in access to vocational skills. Yes, we have worked together. We have allocated 25 million. But it is beyond this. I know through your leadership, you are also able to set aside 100 million to support MSMEs in this county through the partnership with KCB. On top of that, I also know that you have allocated some funds to support the border sector in this county with our partnership. So you can realize that the vision for Kisii County is bigger. It goes all the way from education to even the support of businesses. Makofi kwa governor kwa hiyo yote. As I close, I want to also talk to the parents. Wazazi mpo? Mpo? Sasa Simba Arati amelipa school fees na KCB Foundation. Sasa wewe isikue wakati wa kurudi nyumbani hata mtoto akisema anataka 50 shillings ya bodaboda aende shule asubuhi unasema hauna. Also play your part. Sisi tumelipa school fees. Kama mzazi pia wewe shughulika. The small support these young people will require. Ama si mmetuma niwaambie wazazi. Please ensure that you also support these young people to be able to complete their education. Your Excellency, as I close, I know you have a bigger vision for this county. As KCB Group, we will work with you. I know you have mentioned your vision around improving the health outcomes of this county. You have mentioned also aspects around improving the agricultural sector in this county. We will work with you as KCB Group to ensure that the lives of the citizens of this county are improved and transformed. So as a group, our purpose is for people for better. Are we working our purpose or not? Are we working our purpose or not? For people for better. That's why KCB is there. We will work with you to improve every livelihood in this county, and I want to appreciate your partnership. Lastly, your governor. Nataka kuombea vijana wangu. Unajua sasa ni vijana wangu. One thing. I know they will do this, they'll go for this course for 6 months. And we expect that after 6 months, they will go for internships. Ndio instructors, they will go for internships. So they are expected to go for internship. I mean, najua wewe uko na various departments where these young people can be able to access internship opportunities. Mimi na wamenituma asubuhi ni waombe kwamba ni kuombe kwamba in your various departments, please provide them with opportunities for internship so that they can be able also to acquire the skills. Our program comes with support for toolkits. The biggest challenge, Your Excellency, once you equip young people with the skills, they need tools to deliver work. Na mimi najua, sijui kama mmejua fundi, ukienda mjengo kama hauna your tools, hakuna mtu anakusikiza. Sisi kama wale tunajenga, nikikuita pale nikiona wewe hauna tools, nakuwa na wasiwasi. Sindio? So this program comes with the support of toolkits to some, not everyone. There will be a criteria on those who will be able to get these toolkits. It is performance based. Okay? It depends on how you will perform in your classes, the level of discipline, and how you will be able to complete your education. So when we will be graduating, we will be providing toolkits for those who qualify in this space. Your Excellency, lastly, I just want to appreciate your support to KCB. I know that we have worked together and we will continue to work together to ensure that we also help you deliver your vision and your manifesto. Thank you so much and feel welcome.
Thank you very much. Let's prepare ourselves well so that we give him some hearty claps. 1, 2, 3. Ha, pap, pap, pap. Sawa, sawa. At this time, we are going to have the final speaker, who is His Excellency the Governor